Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install sales strategies with Close CRM, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before you start, ensure you have an account with Close CRM. Visit the Close CRM website and sign up if you haven't done so already. Log into your Close CRM dashboard. Begin by navigating to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, look for the Sales Strategies option. Click on it to access the Sales Strategies configuration page. Here, you can view existing strategies or create a new one. To create a new sales strategy, click on the Add New Strategy button. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter details about the strategy. Start by naming your sales strategy appropriately. Next, outline the key objectives of this strategy. Consider what you want to achieve, such as increasing conversion rates or streamlining outreach. Add a brief description that outlines the approach and tactics involved. After filling in the basic information, move on to the sections for stages. Define the different stages your sales team will follow. Common stages include lead generation, qualification, proposal, and closing. For each stage, describe the actions required and the expected outcomes. Make sure to assign responsibilities for each stage to team members. Once you have detailed all stages, review your sales strategy for clarity. After reviewing, click the Save button to save your new strategy. You can now assign this strategy to specific leads or contacts. Go back to your dashboard and navigate to the Leads section. Select a lead you wish to associate with the new sales strategy. On the Leads Details page, look for the Sales Strategy drop-down menu. Choose your newly created sales strategy from the list. Ensure that all team members involved are updated about the new strategy. Encourage team training sessions to help everyone understand and implement the strategy effectively. Monitor progress through the Close CRM dashboard to see how well the strategy is working. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.